Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pay attention to this simple maths. It looks very simple, but it is kind of complicated. 2 plus 2 is what? 4 times 4 is what? 16. 8 divided by 16. This 8 divided by 16 is equals to 0.5. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, we have to first of all solve for the brackets, then division, followed by multiplication, followed by addition, and subtraction from left to right. So let's solve this correctly. 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Remember there's divisible multiplication here. Times 4 divide 8. So division comes before multiplication. Let's divide. 8 divided by 4 will give us 2 times 4. So 2 times 4. So our final answer is